Welcome, young entrepreneurs, to a journey of financial discovery. In the vast and complex ecosystem of modern commerce, the path to earning your first $1,000 can seem as daunting as navigating a dense rainforest. But fear not, for just as nature provides for its inhabitants, so too does the world of finance offer opportunities for those willing to learn its secrets. Today, we'll explore how to make your first $1,000 with some tried and true methods, each one a stepping stone on your path to financial independence. Sit back, relax, and let the wisdom of experience guide you. Before embarking on any journey, one must first establish a destination. In the world of finance, this means setting clear financial goals. Think of it as plotting your course on a map. Where do you want to be financially? Do you aspire to purchase your first car? Perhaps you dream of funding a once-in-a-lifetime adventure. Whatever your ambition, defining it clearly will provide the motivation and direction needed to navigate the financial landscape. Just as a compass guides a lost traveler, well-defined financial goals will keep you on track, even when faced with challenging terrain. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. And in the world of finance, that first step is setting a clear and achievable goal. In the animal kingdom, resourcefulness is key to survival. Similarly, in the world of finance, those who can adapt and utilize their skills in diverse ways often find the greatest success. Freelancing, much like a skilled predator stalking its prey, requires agility, focus, and a keen understanding of the landscape. What unique talents can you offer the world? Are you a wordsmith, a graphic artist, a coding guru? The digital age has created a vast marketplace for freelance services, offering opportunities for those willing to seek them out. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr act as watering holes, connecting skilled individuals with clients seeking their expertise. With each successful project, you hone your skills, build your reputation, and earn valuable income, all while maintaining the freedom and flexibility to chart your own course. Chapter 3. Imagine the internet as a fertile valley, ripe with opportunity for those willing to cultivate it. Starting an online business is akin to planting a seed and nurturing it into a thriving enterprise. What product or service can you offer the digital world? Perhaps you possess a passion for handcrafted jewelry, or maybe you've developed an innovative software solution. The internet provides a global platform to showcase your creations and connect with potential customers. E-commerce platforms like Shopify and Etsy offer the tools and infrastructure to build your online storefront, while social media provides a powerful avenue for reaching your target audience. Just as a farmer carefully tends to their crops, building a successful online business requires dedication, patience, and a willingness to adapt to the ever-changing digital landscape. Chapter 4. Venturing into the world of stocks and cryptocurrencies can feel like navigating a vast and unpredictable ocean. But fear not, for with careful planning and a measured approach, even the most novice investor can find their sea legs. Think of investing as planting seeds for the future. Just as a tiny acorn holds the potential for a mighty oak, so too can small, consistent investments grow into significant wealth over time. Begin by educating yourself on the fundamentals of investing. Learn to read financial statements, understand market trends, and identify companies with strong growth potential. Remember, diversification is key. Just as a diverse ecosystem is more resilient, a well-diversified investment portfolio can weather market fluctuations and generate long-term returns. Chapter 5. In the natural world, passive resources like a flowing river provide a constant and reliable source of sustenance. Similarly, in the world of finance, passive income streams offer a steady flow of revenue, even while you sleep. Imagine waking up each morning to find your financial reserves replenished, like a stream constantly fed by mountain springs. Blogging, affiliate marketing, and online courses are just a few examples of passive income streams that can generate wealth over time. Just as a beaver diligently builds its dam, creating a structure that will benefit it for years to come, so too can you build passive income streams that provide long-term financial security. The key is to identify your passions, leverage your skills, and create valuable content or products that resonate with your target audience. Outro. Remember, the journey to your first $1,000 is just the beginning. Like a young sapling reaching for the sky, your financial journey is one of continuous growth and expansion. Stay persistent, keep learning, and success will follow. The world of finance, much like the natural world, is constantly evolving. New opportunities emerge, challenges arise, and those who adapt and persevere are the ones who thrive. Thank you for watching, and happy earning.